In the swirling seas of console buzz, few storms are as thrilling as the rise of the Nintendo Switch 2. With each rumor and leak, Nintendo fans are fixated, and one insider, known only as Nash Weedle, is suddenly commanding attention in the gaming gossip galaxy. Once just another leaker in the crowd, Weedle's reputation now carries weight thanks to a string of eerily accurate Xbox and Nintendo intel. They predicted the reveal of Donkey Kong Bonanza before Nintendo made it official. Revealed a surprise Switch 2 spin-off launching this year plus another major title for 2026, Splatoon Raiders popped up shortly after via Nintendo Today, signaling a clear hit. Also flagged updates like the Elden Ring Definitive Edition port and free No Man's Sky upgrade, both later confirmed. This track record massively boosts their leaks beyond idle speculation. Sure, no leak is flawless, but the volume and consistency here demand that we sit up and take notice. Super Mario Crossover Cosmos. A mind-bending new 3D Mario that jumps across iconic Nintendo worlds. Explore Hyrule, Team Slot aboard an R-Wing, visit Kirby's Land, dive into Splatoon's ink-splashed arenas, or chill in a modern Animal Crossing zone. Think Odyssey-level creativity, but on hyperdrive, pushing the Switch 2's power to weave a cinematic, inter-franchise adventure. A supercharged upgrade from New Horizons. Build sprawling megacities, expand urban planning, and experience dynamic social sims, while keeping the cozy community vibe that made AC a global comfort hit. Pikmin Reimagined. June 2024 leak hints at a radical spin-off. Expect a genre shift, maybe a puzzle-focused, narrative-rich, or painterly art-style twist that still honors the classic RTS roots in future numbered titles. The Metroid Multiverse. Massive expansions are coming. Metroid Prime 5 is allegedly launching in 2027, developed alongside Prime 4 with groundbreaking gravity-flipping exploration tailor-made for Switch 2. A new 2D Metroid in 2025, eyeing producer Mercury Steam to follow up Metroid Dread. Rumored Switch-era remasters of Prime 2 and 3 this year, perfectly timed to pave the way for the bigger releases. The credible leaks, especially with previous Switch 2 hits, spotlight a software launch lineup more ambitious than any we've seen.